Building a high-performance web application today is not just about choosing the right framework. It's about how fast and efficiently your development process runs. Now think about this. How much time does your team spend waiting? Waiting for builds, waiting for reloads, waiting to see if a small change actually worked. That waiting slows everything down. This is exactly the problem that tools like Vite solve. Vite changes how development works at a fundamental level. Instead of bundling the entire application before you see anything, it serves your code instantly using native browser modules. That means your dev server starts almost immediately, and changes show up in real time. But the real shift is how it handles your code. Dependencies like React or Vue are processed once. Your actual working code is loaded on demand. So instead of rebuilding everything, Vite updates only what has changed. In practice, this means faster development cycles, instant feedback while coding, no unnecessary rebuild delays. And when it's time to go live, Vite still ensures clean, optimized production builds using modern bundling. For businesses, this directly impacts speed. Features get tested faster, updates roll out quicker, teams spend more time building and less time waiting. So if you're aiming for a high-performance web app, don't just focus on the output. Look closely at the tool powering your development, because with Vite, speed is not just a feature. It becomes part of how your product is built.